Hello my friends, welcome to another video of Paras Perspective. Today's video is all about office etiquette. We all know how many Indians are living overseas or are planning to move. That's why this video is all about that. Because corporate culture overseas is very different to the Indian one. Indian corporate culture बहुत अलग है, बाहर बहुत ही ज़्यादा अलग है. Just because you got like multiple nationalities, multiple culture, and you might be facing a lot of culture for the very first time. It's not just about your professional skills, but soft skills are also very essential in today's world. I'm going to tell you in this video how to behave in office and what all common things to avoid so that हमारे देश का नाम खराब ना हो. Number one, don't get crazy for free food and drinks. Read the room. What I mean to say is, look at your other colleagues, how much they're eating, how much they're drinking. पागल मत हो जाओ, पूरी की पूरी खाने की प्लेट भर ली है, या अगर फ्री अल्कोहल मिल रही है, बियर मिल रही है तो लगे हुए हैं एक के बाद एक. No, please stop it. That's very bad. And please never take home any leftover food or drinks until you have been asked for. It's very embarrassing. Everyone notices these things. Okay? Let me give you one example. मैं South Africa में था. मेरा एक client था Discovery Insurance. It was a huge client. And I was working with Zensar at that time. वहाँ पे एक दिन क्या हुआ था? बार हमेशा हर Friday को बार open होता था. And you know, we all Indian go there, have whiskey, beer, anything. But what happened one day, people were caught taking all the beer cans at home. That was very embarrassing. And you know what happened after that? 2 हफ्ते बाद वहां पे notice लग गया था, Zensar people are not allowed in the bar. So please guys, avoid this thing. Second point, don't talk loudly in Hindi or in your other native language. It looks very, very rude. The reason is your colleague sitting next to you might not be knowing your language. He or she might be thinking, तुम उसके बारे में बुराई कर रहे हो या कुछ ऐसा बोल रहे हो जो उसको नहीं पता होना चाहिए. So please maintain the decorum. Third point is, no personal comments, please. The reason is overseas corporate culture is very different. यहाँ पे कोई personal बातें नहीं करता एक दूसरे के बारे में until and unless that person becomes your friend. Don't ask them informal questions like for example जो हम इंडिया में करते हैं, शादी हो गई आपकी, बच्चे हो गए, कितने बच्चे हैं, अच्छा डाइवोर्स चल रहा है, अच्छा शादी क्यों नहीं करी. All these things, please no one ask them, especially giving some personal comments like आज तो मोटी लग रही है, तेरे बालों क्या हुआ आज, और तेरा फेस मोटा क्यों लग रहा है. All these things, please, no one likes it here. Next point is, please never disclose or ask someone's salary. कि तेरी salary कितनी है, मेरे को तो इतने मिलते हैं. All these things. No one discusses this thing here, and I think India में भी कोई नहीं discuss करता. So please, if you're new in corporate culture, coming straight from the college, salaries discuss नहीं करते हैं. Next point is about working from home. We all know that after COVID, what's happening? 2 or 3 days we are working from home, or 2 or 3 days we are going to office. So if working from home, please always open your Teams or Zoom camera. जब भी online meetings होती है, camera on रखो. It gives a good impression and it gives a trust factor that the person is working very diligently और अच्छे से काम कर रहा है और एक warm feeling आती है. So please open your camera always while on your Teams or Zoom call. Next one is very funny and इसके ऊपर मैंने अलग से वीडियो बनाई है which I'll be releasing in couple of weeks. Please don't eat at your desk while in the office. अपने डेस्क पे अपना डब्बा मत खोल के बैठ जाओ, especially if we are Indians. So curry होती है, smell आती है garlic की या onion की. And especially if you're eating non-veg. क्यों? क्योंकि आपको नहीं पता आपका कॉलीग कौन सी कंट्री से है, कौन से बैकग्राउंड से आ रहा है, क्या आप वीगन हो या वेजिटेरियन, और इट्स ऑल अबाउट एयर सर्कुलेशन. सो ऐसा नहीं है कि फ्रेश एयर आएगी और आपकी स्मेल चली जाएगी, वो सर्कुलेट होती है पूरे के पूरे फ्लोर पे. सो इफ यू हैव टू ईट समथिंग, प्लीज गो इन द किचन, इन द कैफेटेरिया, ईट देयर एंड डोंट open your dabba at the desk. Another point associated with this is when you go to kitchen, अपने जो बर्तन है, please उसको ऐसे ही सिंक में नहीं रखने हैं. You have to put your dishes either in the dishwasher or just wash it. Coming to the very last point and the very basic it is, इस पे भी अलग से वीडियो बनानी है. Please dress up well. अच्छे से कपड़े पहन के जाओ. ऑफिस का जो कल्चर है, people really dress up well overseas. ऐसा नहीं है कि चप्पल पहन के आ गए हो और कैजुअल डे नहीं है तो टी शर्ट और वो डेनिम लेवाइस की ऊपर हाई वेस्ट वाली पहन के आ गए हो या स्पोर्ट शूज पहन के आ गए हो. It doesn't look good. and that's where you're representing your country. One small thing before I go, it depends on your industry. आप कौन सी इंडस्ट्री में हो, IT में हो या नॉर्मल कॉर्पोरेट में हो, तो चल जाएगा कि शर्ट है, ट्राउजर है, बूट्स हैं या शूज हैं, फॉर्मल. But if you're into investment banking, sales or VCs, so I think it's very good to suit up with a tie so that it represents your company and your brand. So that's it guys for today. If you have any feedback or anything I'm missing, please comment down below. But I have a small thing to ask you before I go. There's a little change in my background settings. If you can find it, just comment down below and I will reveal that in my next video. All right, bye-bye, take care.
I'm Paras Kumar and this is Paras Perspective.